I was fine in my quiet world, heart wrapped up, door shut tight. Didn't know I was waiting for your eyes to meet mine. Every moment before you feels like it was just a blur. Now the air feels different every time you're close to me. Yeah. I've been strong, I've been careful, never let myself fall too far. But you touch my hand and suddenly I forget who I was. You take my breath away every time you say my name, like the sky's leaning closer when you look at me that way. I don't need the world to change, I don't need a grand escape. Just stay right here and don't let go. You take my breath away. I hear forever in your voice, even when you're barely speaking. You see the parts I hide